Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New, latest, and beautiful, stylish ideas like little kids, girls, and women's different crochet fashion styles like crochet crown, head crowns ideas. So I hope you like it. Like different and latest design ideas for girls and women's different way and different style. Crocheting crowns can be a charming and creative project, whether for dress up special ascension or just for fun. Here are simple guide to crocheting a basic crown for watch, weight, yarn, and your desired colored crochet hook suitable for your yarn needle for weaving in ends and idea.